All right, Ryan, Mark, just now. How many times have I told you that our producers have nothing to do, and I just feel they must stay home? So apparently we're going to switch roles. How well do Empress and I know each other?
Miss a girl, you know, I'm not switch, you know.
Well, in today's fun stuff,
up.
I wish you just keep quiet. We'll be given different scenarios, and we are to react as how the other would. So let's go. These are, stay over there, please. I must just look at everything one time?
No, take one piece of paper. See, he can't even follow instructions.
So, okay. So I must act. This one says, Empress gets money. See the money right there. So, whoa! You know, from when we did, oh, somebody coming out of money this morning. Ah! My people. Look. We get some money this morning.
I probably would react like that, depending on who I'm with.
No, with $20 can't do not that time. So you probably would have cussed and said, I want to go with $20.
No, I believe in one cocoa full basket.
Come, your time.
All right, my time now, my time. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so I picked them up like you. All righty. Oh, God. All right. All right. This one, I can't even do it, though. It's so bad that I don't know. Empress does Neville's silly victory dance. I can't even do it.
No, that's not what I do. That's not what I do.
What?
No, the only part
What's
you
the
get.
dance?
The only part you get right was the silly part. It does look silly. Hi, boy.
Can
That's
you
not,
just do it for me one more?
well, no, I'm not doing it. You're supposed to know me.
I can't do the dance. It's so silly.
This don't make any sense.
There you go.
So I'm supposed to tell her to behave like me?
Yeah. Obviously that's it.
Oh. This don't make no sense. I think I should be. Well, Neville wins Manning Cup.
You know.
Thank you. Look at Chad. Look at Chad. Chad will tell you what I will do.
When my brother, oh no, he would do this.
Anyone who knows me,
That's it, right?
Yeah, I'm not a celebrator.
Okay.
So
That's why I say you'd be crying.
Yeah, I wouldn't be crying. I just
humbly receive it.
No, and if you know me, I don't go up for the trophy. I just let the kids. I don't take any pictures.
So you would just do this.
Yeah, and I just go in the corner and I watch everybody. Yeah, thank God. And so you got that wrong. Come.
And then you're gonna go on an interview with Simone or Yendi and go, you know, I've been trying for this trophy.
No.
Not joke. I'm messing with you.
I know.
All right, next one.
All right, let's hold the money there.
Give me my $20. Can you send me with
Your time.
All right. Neville gets coffee with milk and sugar. Well, I tell you what he would say. Well, first, he doesn't drink coffee. So this is me acting, not you. Why do you have the coffee?
So you say me get coffee?
Yeah, but I am acting like you. You see,
here's the coffee.
You know, I've been telling you people.
Yes.
As usual.
Shut up about. Shut up. Coffee.
All right, if he got me coffee, if we are off air and not on camera, this is what he would do. Oh, would it come give me coffee with milk and sugar? I Empress something this. And then I would say, no, Neville, I don't drink milk. Wanna bring my tea, man? Wanna bring my chamomile tea?
I don't ever speak like that.
That's how he speaks off camera, people.
During the break, if I'm speaking to Empress, I said, Empress, Mrs. Golden, I'd like to have a little chat with you. Can we go out by the door? That's how I speak.
Oh my God.
I don't ever do anything like that.
Television, listen, do not believe everything you see on TV. That's exactly how he would have reacted.
That's not how I would react.
Trust me.
Folks, just listen to what I'm saying. I would go up to her and I said, Mrs. Golden, is this your coffee?
No.
And she would say,
Right
I
there.
don't drink. And I'd say, Mrs. Golden, why are you behaving so aggressively? All I wanted to know is you drink coffee. I said, Mrs. Golden, could you just calm down a bit? Emprezz gets an apple. An American apple.
You know what me that say? You have to pretend he's not following the rules. You have to take the apple, pretend that it is.
All right, okay. I just didn't want to do it because them going to tell me say I can't come back on TV if I behave like how she would behave. And you know I behave like how she would behave if I give her an American apple.
Be real.
Be real?
What would I say? Truthfully. You
What
know
would
how
you
I feel
say?
about those foreign imported goods. Though.
That's exactly what she said. She said, why are you giving me foreign things?
Yeah.
I'm not into foreign things.
Yes.
I eat what I plant and I
Yes.
plant what I eat. What are you giving me this for?
Yes.
This don't make any sense. And then she would say some more things that I can't tell you on TV.
Why are you speaking so loud?
Because so you won. And then you throw the apple after Clive and say, I don't want it. Keep your apple. So she that won. And the paper will go with it too. Afraid of that one. What is that now?
A whole in a meditation. All right. Next one. I'm the only one following the rules of the game. This one says, Neville sings. All right. I'm trying to remember what you do. I'm really missing Band Wednesdays, by the way. Neville sing. I would don't want the people them say. The people them
Is
say.
me supposed to sing? You just cuss me off and say me don't know nothing about the game.
What's these rules?
Anyway,
are?
hold on. Stop. I mean, Mrs. Golden.
Huh?
Mrs. Golden.
What are the rules in this game? I am supposed to get.
Now when you say how she behave, she behave. No, when you say, let me just behave and say,
The rules. This game switching up rules.
yes.
Oh, you're doing me sing now. Okay. All right, go on now. Go on.
Play something bad. So she go. There, you, yeah. Should I go on better than that still? Because she can't sing. I can't sing. I know you don't go on.
I hate that
I said,
one.
come now, man. Turn up the thing now.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah, smile Jamaica. Every Wednesday me come over here and give me a trouble. I mean, I want the people in here, but not yo. All right, go and sing now.
Just like that. Except I do more singing than DJ style. You're moving fast. I like to sing slow and easy, you know?
All right.
Like, you know, like be a little bit more melodious, slow, and then give me a little soul. No, man, do it how I would do it.
All right, do it how you would do it.
Do the little jazzy thing and then, yeah.
All right. Run that rhythm here again.
Yeah, turn the rhythm up.
All right, people.
Yes.
It's Smile Jamaica on a Wednesday. I kind of miss the band because I get trouble every Wednesday. Yeah.
Yes. That's me.
That is you?
That's how I would do it.
No, sir, I'm gone. No, sir. If I have anything like
Wait. Yeah. That's what you're doing?
Right.
Hey, my people, it's a Wednesday. I give love to you, baby, every night when you want me. Baby, stay far from me, 'cause I really wasn't talking to you, but I got this man who loves me.
Yeah.
Sing it! Blah.
No, when I tell you to say it's such a behave, when you don't believe me. And then I would just say, Mrs. Golden, could you be a little bit calmer, please? All right. So Mrs. Golden gone till next Wednesday. We can't take too much of her. Yeah. Gonna go for a break. Digicel reboots. So come. Stay with us. Yeah.